Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating a soft glam makeup look with dewy skin and ombre lips. I'm going to start by hydrating the face with the rose water mist. I'm now applying a moisturizer which is also going to be working as a primer for our makeup. Before applying the foundation, I'm using a little bit of orange corrector so that there is no gray areas after we have applied foundation. I'm dabbing the foundation well into the skin so that it looks like second skin, and I'm covering the areas that I have used corrector on very well so that the orange does not see through. As she has very light skin, I have used a slightly lighter shade of contour so it doesn't look too heavy or too brown on her face. Starting with eyes, I'm just using soft blending strokes and working on the inner and outer corners and blending it slightly upward. I added a little bit of shimmer in the center, and now I'm going with a slightly darker brown on the same areas as I started with. I've kept the eyes fairly simple as she has hooded eyes and there is not much gap to work with, and I've just finished with a winged eyeliner. I always like to apply a little bit of eyeshadow on the lower lash so that it gives a more complete look to the eye makeup and the face looks slightly more even. Now I'm using a small fan brush to apply highlighter. This highlighter blends well with her skin so it looks naturally dewy and doesn't look very artificial. I'm using a dark pink lipstick to outline her lips, which I'm going to fill in and then use a lighter shade inside to give that ombre effect. To avoid the look created by false lashes, I'm using individual lashes which are going to be just filling her natural lashes and give a natural effect. The look is now complete and we've got a beautiful soft glam makeup look with an ombre lip. This is a versatile look that can be worn for a cocktail, it can be worn for an engagement or even an anniversary party. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such looks and tips and tricks. I'll see you all again with another look very soon.